Hello, friends. Welcome to Handmade by Shravs. I hope you're all having a great day so far. It is Sankranthi or Pongal this coming weekend, and I'm excited to share some decoration ideas with you guys. In today's video, I'll share you a easy and a quick way to make sugarcane, terracotta pot, to make rangolis on a wooden plaque using inexpensive items. Sankranthi or Pongal is a harvest festival that we celebrate in India, and sugarcane, being the most important harvest of the season, signifies prosperity and well-being. This is a easiest and inexpensive method to make fake sugarcanes. I'm going to use cardboard that I saved from gift wrap rolls. You can also use cardboard from a box and fold it into a circular shape and use it, or you can also use cardboard from paper towel rolls. I measured the cardboard roll and cut two pieces 15-inch in length. We also need twine or cotton yarn to make nodes of the sugarcane. We just need to tie the twine to the cardboard roll as shown here. I made 3 nodes for each sugarcane piece. Depending on the length of the cardboard, you can increase the number of nodes if you want. I decided to paint the sugar canes a purple color, so I added purple and little bit of black in it to get the dark purple sugar cane color. Add some water for the paint to flow easily. Next, we need to color the nodes of the sugar cane. I used mustard or yellow ochre with some brown in it, and colored the twine that we tied onto the sugarcane. I want to add one more detail to the sugarcane. If you observe, you will find some discoloration on both sides of the nodes of the sugarcane. To add that detail, I'm going to use my wet brush with little bit of yellow paint and paint on either sides of the nodes as shown here. Next, we need to make leaves for the sugarcane. I'm using a green color foam sheets here that I got from a craft store. But you can use a construction paper or a gift wrapping tissue paper. I'm going to cut the leaves in 2 sizes, 4 inches and 7 inches in size. Draw a zigzag pattern on the foam sheet or a paper that whatever you're using, and you need to cut them into the shape of leaves. I decided not to cut the 2 levels of the leaves that we measured and cut. Instead, I used it as a single piece. We just need to roll it as we are rolling a mat. After we are done rolling, we just need to insert the leaves inside the sugar cane. Make one more set of leaves for the other sugar cane as well, and stick the leaves inside the cardboard sugar cane. Now we are done with the sugar canes. To make a decorative Pongal pot, we will need two bowls. I found these bowls in Dollar Tree. Each is $1.25, and I'm going to use two bowls to make a pot. Using a glue gun, I attached the two rims of the bowls together to make a round shape. The next step is to attach a rim to the pot. I'm using glue gun to attach a planter liner uh, to the pot that we made. Now it's time to paint the pot. I decided to use red ochre acrylic paints to paint the pot. It looks exactly like terracotta. The choice of color is totally up to you. You can paint them white or gold. I'm really pleased how it turned up. It looked exactly like a terracotta pot. And the good thing about these bowls are it has some engraving on it. So it looked good as is. But I wanted to enhance the look of the pot. I decided to use white paint, and since the pot already had some engraved design on it, it was easy for me to just go over the design and paint a pattern with the white paint. And friends, that's it. We are done with the terracotta pot. I really like the outcome. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. I made this reusable Rangoli mat on a wooden plaque using acrylic paints and modeling paste. If you want to know the procedure, please comment in the comment section so I can post a video on this. And friends, this is the final look of the Sankranthi decoration that I did this year. I had so much fun making this decoration, and I really like the way the sugar canes and Pongal pot turned out. I added some pillow filler onto the pot so it looks like milk foam. The Rangoli plaques look amazing against the faux terracotta pot. Since sun has a great significance during Pongal, I hung a sun-shaped mirror that I got from the Dollar Tree. Another significant item during Sankranthi is kite. I made this kite wall hanging using yarn. I made a short video about this. I will attach the link in the description box. So please have a look. I'm really pleased with the outcome and can't wait for the guests to arrive for this upcoming get together for the festival. I hope you liked my ideas, and please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications for my channel. Thank you friends. మీ అందరికీ నా సంక్రాంతి శుభాకాంక్షలు. Thank you.